Hello, today I'm going to tell you how you can replace your Z-stick with the EndNet from HomeSeer. This is a device that is based on Raspberry Pi hardware. It comes with wired network connection or wireless. This means that you can place this anywhere in your house you want to get the best coverage of your Z-wave network. You can also have multiple of these. If you have, for example, a large house, if you have more than one house and just want to maintain that from one HomeSeer setup, you can have one of these in each house, for example. I know that the Z-stick, you have to plug that into the HomeSeer server. That means if you want to place this multiple places in your house to get a good coverage of your Z-wave network, then you would need some kind of transmitter, for example virtual here, to be able to have multiple of these in the same setup of your HomeSeer. I have tested this for some weeks now and it seems to work pretty good. I have had no issues with it at all, actually. It has not been restarted or anything. It has just been working. So quite good. So now I'm going to tell you how you can convert from the Z-stick to the Z-net. So here you can see I have one Z-wave interface that is called new interface. So if I expand this option, I have a drop-down menu here under actions where I can choose backup this interface. When I select that, I here get a file name. So if you take a note of this file name, so you can recognize this when you want to restore it on your new Z-net interface. So I press start and then it will back up this interface. Once the backup is completed, you want to disable your interface. You do that by clicking up here, so that becomes a stop sign. After you have disabled your interface, you want to remove it, and you do that by clicking the red cross over here. Now that you have removed your Z-stick interface from your HomeSeer setup, you want to click on add new interface. You want to give your new Z-net interface a name. You want to select your module. You could select a HomeSeer Z-net Ethernet, but in my current setup I actually used Ethernet interface. That's because in Ethernet I have the opportunity to select an IP address and a port. So I'll write in the IP address of the new interface. I will write the port number that it's going to use, and you want to click on add. Once you've clicked on add, you want to click here to enable that interface. And now it's going to try to initiate the interface. When that process is done, you want to expand the menu here. You want under actions to select restore a network to this device. You want to choose the file that we backed up before. So I'm going to go down and select that file. And I'm going to press confirm. Once the restore process is done, you go back to the menu. Under actions, you select full optimize and network. You click on that and press start. When you press start, what it's going to do is it's going to contact all your Z-Wave devices, and it's going to try to optimize the route back to your new Z-Wave interface for your HomeSeer. So once you've done that, you're actually done, and you can try to switch on and off some devices and see if your new controller works.